Introducing the Odoo Islamic Calendar, a simple tool to view dates in both Georgian and Hijri with an easy date picker. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, make sure the Odoo Islamic Calendar module is installed. Once the module is installed, go to Sales. Now click on the admin icon at the top right corner and select Preferences from the drop-down. Here, you will see options to select the preferred calendar and preferred language. Select Islamic Calendar and then choose your preferred language. Now click on Search More. RTL languages are also supported. Select Georgian, then click on Select. After that, click on Add and then click on Switch to Georgian. After selecting the calendar and language, your preferences are applied. Once saved, all date fields in Odoo will follow the Islamic calendar and dates will be displayed according to the Hijri calendar. When you click on New and select any date field, the integrated calendar interface opens, allowing you to easily view and select dates using the Islamic calendar.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.